There's something about this land that stays with you. The red earth, the wind, the deep, ancient thrum of the wild. Today we're cooking Nyala with Chef Piet. This isn't just a recipe, it's a moment shared, a story told through fire and spice. Here, Two Brown Guys Hunt and Chef Piet. What are we making today, Chef
All
Piet?
right, hello everybody. Thank you for the opportunity. So let's just start from the beginning and that. All right though, so anyone can take a backstrap, but it's actually a whole process. So this animal was harvested correctly. In a way I say that because you can say there's no lines, well basically you can see there's no lines of sewings inside the meat over here. So this animal's probably done headshot first, didn't dry under stress. So the meat's going to be nice, soft and tender and that. Look, I'm not wearing gloves as everybody can see in that because of the latex gloves. It's got a powder that sticks to game meat in that. You can use it on beef and that's got another texture, but when you work with, you can just wash your hands before that and that'll be fine. And as you press here, you see your thumb goes in. I'm not even pressing hard in that. So this meat is nice, soft and tender. Alright, so we're going to start now. So any olive oil.
What meat is this first?
Oh sorry, this is a Nyala backstrap. So from two different Nyalas and that. So let me just start here. There's a little bit of the sewing just here, so we just want to remove this. And here in the scrabbers here.
So getting rid of all the silver
Yeah,
skin.
just all the silver skin and that because you don't want to start chewing up until next week. So, alright, but enough of the hospital talk. So just any olive oil. So I'm just going to do that very well. I'm just going to work it in here. And you don't want too much spice and too much things in that because you still want to preserve the texture and the taste of the animal. Alright, so then I've got, my spice. It's just 6 gun, that's what we use here in South Africa. Okay. You can use any meat rub back in the States.
6 gun?
Yes,
okay.
Any meat rub. And then just
and does this already have salt in it as well?
It does, yeah. Okay. And it's got, if I'm not mistaken, it's got coriander also in.
Okay.
It's a very popular make in South Africa.
Great.
And because we stay, because everything's in Tabazimbi, you're only sort of limited to spices. You can only find as much as what you can in town and that. So just work that in. Alright there. I'm going to slip the bottle and
that's just a little bit of black pepper?
Yeah, that's it, gentlemen.
Delicious.
Yeah.
It smells amazing. It almost reminds me of like a Chinese 5-spice or something.
Yeah. So this animal, like I said, it was harvested correctly. It was cut correctly from the carcass. So you can see this is a beautiful piece of meat. Alright, then afterwards what I'm going to do is, just going to wash my hands, I'm going to turn this jalapeno into a little sauce in that. So I'm going to dice it very fine. I'm going to add salt and pepper and some olive oil and present it next to the Nyala tonight.
Awesome.
That's it, guys.
All right, putting the coals in. Woo. And we're gonna put this on for 15 minutes, you said?
Yeah, 15, 20 minutes. There we go.
Awesome.
Hy wat hulle nou opvuil vir die.
We've got some blue wildebeest sausage here.
Blue wildebeest sausage.
Yes.
Awesome.
So the way we make our sausages is ground venison, and then we put body fat, beef, for the taste in it.
Okay, beef fat.
Yeah,
Okay.
beef fat, yeah.
In the States, in a lot of our game stuff, we had pork fat.
Oh, yeah. You can do pork fat as well, but we prefer the beef.
The beef fat.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see, there we go.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. Now you just put it.
Beautiful. Oh, that's looking very beautiful.
You see, nice, high, intense heat.
Yep.
Look, they say, don't turn your meat too much, but if you leave, this hasn't got any fat.
Yep.
Right, it's lean. So if you don't turn it on a regular basis, it's going to dry out on the outside. Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's just going to look, it's not going to look appetizing.
Right, right.
But I mean, this is just beautiful.
Oh yeah, it looks amazing.
Yeah, and I mean, look at that. Oh, that's soft. You can cut
Very
that with a
soft.
butter
It's
knife.
oh, I know. Or the
Yeah.
spoon maybe. Looks so tender.
Again, it all comes down to the harvesting. That animal didn't receive, arguments like 25 shots.
Right.
All right, that animal still was
It was
harvested
under
correct.
stress. It was quickly dispatched humanely.
And then now another thing is when they skin the carcass, when they take the meat out,
Yeah.
they take a high pressure hose and they spray off the carcass.
Okay.
So that's like pounds the meat as well.
Okay.
Yeah, basically. And from there they hang it for a little while in that. Look, you can have meat. There is ways. If you shoot the animal in the morning, to eat that same meat in the evening in that. You get wine, get pineapple juice. The acidity breaks down the enzymes.
Breaks down the acid.
Or
Helps
you
break
can
down
use
enzyme.
Coke.
Oh,
'Cause
okay.
You know what? Coke is not actually
Yeah.
good for anybody, but
Yeah.
if you see what it does.
It breaks down. Yeah.
Yeah.
In Indian cooking, we use a lot of yogurt, so that
Yes,
acidity,
yes.
that acidity helps
Correct.
tenderize the meat.
That's it, yes.
All right, Chef Pete.
Hey.
Meat's all done.
Yes.
Now we're gonna slice into it.
Okay.
And you're slicing against the grain, right?
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful medium rare. Looks good. Look at this medium rare. Looks real good.
Looking good.
Fatty dan, wat ons net moet doen is dan
Let's steal a test bite for the camera.
Want is
Oh,
twee
look
keer
at that.
hot.
Look at that.
Look at this.
Jy kan vir hom
Oh,
sê
Nyala.
7.50.
It like melts in your mouth.
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah.
So good. Wow.
Maar as
Dit dan kan ek ook 'n stukkie proe.
Ja.
Okay. And this is the little jalapeno mixture for the Nyala. All right, Siobhan. Let's try this. I already tried the Nyala without the. What do you think about the Nyala without the jalapeno?
Jy's bang vir.
Melts in your mouth, right?
Wat 'n keer dat jy nie verkoue het.
Excellent.
And here's
How
it
does it
with the
taste?
jalapeno. Delicious.
I'm gonna try some chilies.
It's really good with the chilies. Like the spice is just subtle enough. And they taste the Nyala.
Yeah.
Very good.
So where do you put the chilies? On what?
I put it on the Nyala.
Oh, on the Nyala. Okay.
Yeah. And then this is wildebeest sausage.
You guys want something to drink? Water?
Really good.
I got a water. I'll grab it. Thanks, Niels. That Nyala is so good.
Yeah. The wildebeest sausage also just so like tender and
Can I
like
have
melts
just
in your
a
mouth.
slice?
Yeah.
I didn't want to take a whole one. Thanks.
Yeah. Nyala and wildebeest sausage.